Hi everyone, good evening mga kabu. Just want to say how's your day? Everyone, hope you all doing well. And yes, Mr. Bo is over there. Want to say hi, Lalav? Guys, he's buang sa. He doesn't know that you didn't hear you because I use headset. So yeah, he doesn't know what you didn't hear him. Okay. Never mind, Lalab. So anyway, guys, it's bedtime. We're going to sleep now. So yeah, this our routine. Bedtime, sleep together. So don't forget to sleep together.